The WPI Manufacturing Laboratories are based in the Washburn shops. The second building constructed on the WPI campus, Washburn was built as a teaching factory, and it allowed the students of the Worcester Free Institute of Industrial Sciences to gain vital hands-on experience with state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Now, 150 years later, the art has changed, and the Institute is no longer free, but the mission remains the same. Today in the labs, we directly and indirectly work on about a dozen undergraduate courses. We support graduate and undergraduate research. We participate in numerous community and STEM outreach programs. We're able to bring community members on campus to let them know a little bit about what we do in the facility. And we strive every day to help young people understand about STEM education and possible careers in the field. What I'd like to do now is take a walk through our teaching labs in Washburn 107. On the left-hand side, as you come into the lab, students have access to 2 laser cutters, and you'll also find the entrance to our weld shop where students have access to MIG, TIG, and gas welders, as well as a CNC plasma cutter. As we continue into the lab, on the right-hand side, you'll find stock storage for work in process for our Introduction to Manufacturing course. And on the left-hand side, you'll find workspaces for students to work on assembly work for their projects or to work on programming for their CNC projects. Further into the lab, on the right-hand side, we have drill presses, bandsaws, and stock storage. And on the left-hand side, we have the CNC machine tools that we typically use for teaching. The manufacturing labs house 11 Haas CNC machine tools. In the teaching lab, we have 3 Haas lathes, an ST10 and 2 SL10s. We also have 3 Haas mini mills. These machine tools are used daily to support both coursework and research. In addition to the facilities in the teaching labs, students working in the manufacturing labs also have access to the facilities in Washburn 108. The original robotics laboratory at WPI 108 houses several industrial robots used to support coursework and student research projects. In our industrial robotics course, students have had the opportunity in project work to connect this ABB robot shown here with our Haas mill drill center and our Haas ST30. Where the ST30 would make a turned part, the robot would then take the part, put it in a fixture in the mill drill center, and the mill drill center would finish the part, the robot then taking the part out of the fixture and depositing it in a pallet of finished parts. Now, in addition to the industrial robots, 108 also houses our larger CNC machine tools, giving students access to machines capable of mill turn operations as well as 3, 4, and 5-axis milling. The labs are available for student use 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and on a typical day we see about 120 instances of use. In a typical school year, we see about a quarter of WPI's student population make something.